Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. I am V. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain one tool in transformation features. Okay, in previous class, uh, I was explained that translation tool. In this video, I am going to explain how to use rotation tool for pod design in the pod design. You can activate rotation tool uh, by using transformation features toolbar. Another option is you can go to the insert menu, uh, choose transformation feature. It shows the subtools, and in the subtools you can choose rotation. The rotation tool is used to rotate the body with respect to an axis of rotation. When you choose the rotation tool from the transformation subtoolbar of transformation features toolbar, the question message box will be displayed along with the rotation definition dialog box. First, you can read the question message box. It shows, do you really want to keep the transformation specifications if you do not want to move your geometry using the compass or 3D constraint? Now I'm choose the S button from this message box. The rotation definition dialog box will be activated. Uh, it shows three options. First one is definition mode. This definition mode having sub options axis, angle, and second one is axis, two elements. Third one is 3 points. Here the default definition mode is axis angle. This option is selected by default in the uh, definition mode drop down list. Okay, you will be prompted to select the rotation axis. Okay, when you activate axis angle, it shows the sub option, that is first one is axis. First you can choose the axis. Here I am choosing axis or edge or sketch line. So I am choosing this edge. Uh, Now the entire sketch is the color is changed to orange color. Now enter the angle. Now I'm giving 45 degrees. Here the rotation with respect to this edge, the angle is 45 degrees in clockwise direction. You can see the resultant uh, resultant rotation of the body. Let us see the second one. The second option is uh, now you can choose the second option by using definition mode drop down arrow. The second one is axis two elements. Now the sub options are changed. First one is axis, and second one the first element, third one is the second element. Now you can select the axis. You can select the edge or line, sketched line. Now I'm choosing the axis. This is the my reference axis. That means the edge. Next you can select the first element. Okay, now I'm choosing this surface is my first element. Next I am going to select second element. This select second element is this is my second element. This right side surface is my second element. Now click on OK. Now the resultant object will be displayed on the screen. Let us see the third option. Now selecting the 3 points option allow you to select the 3 points to define the rotation angle. Now you can now you can choose the third option. Just you can click this definition mode uh, drop down list. You can choose 3 points. Now the sub options are changed. It shows first point, second point, and third point. Now choose first point. This is my first point. That means the vertex point. Now you can choose the second point. This is my second point. Now you can choose the third point. This is my third point. Now click on OK. Okay, after setting the parameters, just you can choose uh, OK button from the rotation definition dialog box. This is the resulting rotating body. These are the different options are available in the uh, rotating tool in the transformation features in CATIA V5 software. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.